Hi, I'm Jason Glass, Superintendent and Chief Learner with Jeffco Public Schools, and today I'm visiting a kindergarten and thought it would be a great place to share some big news with you because kids, just like these students, are the reason behind the big announcement. The news is that our new online enrollment system, EnrollJeffco, is coming. This new website will have two big components. First, starting December 17th, there'll be a place to learn about all our Jeffco public schools. Neighborhood schools, option schools, charter schools, special programs, all the info will be in one easy-to-use place. Second, about mid-January through early February, all current students and new students planning on attending Jeffco public schools will use EnrollJeffco to let us know your plans for next year. Some of you may be familiar with choice enrollment. EnrollJeffco replaces the paper choice enrollment process. Remember, all current and new Jeffco students will use EnrollJeffco. So if you're returning to the same school, if you're going to attend your neighborhood school, or if you'd like to choice into a school other than your current or neighborhood school, such as a charter or option school, you'll go to EnrollJeffco and apply. EnrollJeffco is user-friendly, offers better information, easier access, and timely information for families and our schools about enrollment. That way we can all plan ahead. Go to EnrollJeffco.org now for a sneak peek. Check back December 17th to learn about all our great schools. And then in January, check back again to enroll for next year. Thanks for all you do to support our schools in Jeffco.